Hey Hampton Roads homeowner, do you have moisture in your crawl space, musty smell maybe, buckling floors, or even high humidity readings? These are all symptoms of a potential problem in your crawl space. My name is Josh Shelton, and me and my dad live right here in Hampton Roads. We've been fixing crawl spaces for over 30 years, and we offer a worry-free inspection. It's totally free, no obligation. We'll come out and do a free inspection of your crawl space. We'll diagnose if there's a problem, or we'll tell you if you don't have any problem at all in purpose so that we can get your peace of mind back. So you'll find out if you're good and you don't have anything going on, or you'll find out if you need to do something about your crawl space. And the bad thing about crawl space problems are the longer they wait, the longer they go undiagnosed, the more serious and expensive they tend to get. So you want to go ahead and get it inspected so you can address the problem as soon as possible and save as much money as possible. So we're a small family-owned company, so we're going to give you the personal attention you deserve. We can often get out to do inspections very quickly, the same week. You don't have to wait a long period of time for that. So we want to help you and take care of your crawl space. So there's a short survey below. Just click the link. We'll ask you a couple of questions, and then we'll call you to set your free inspection up so that you can get your peace of mind back and stop worrying about your crawl space.